Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Proforma invoice, also known as an estimate, in Zoho Books. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just getting started with accounting, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, review, and send your quotes in minutes. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Click on the Sign In button and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up and get started in no time. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's clean, intuitive, and ready to guide you through your sales processes. Next, look at the left-hand panel and locate the Sales tab. Click on it, and you'll see all the options related to managing your clients, invoices, and quotes. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Sales section, click on the Create New Quote button. In Zoho Books, creating a quote is the same as generating a Proforma invoice or estimate. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter all the relevant details for your client. Now, let's fill in the details. Start by adding your client's name and contact information. Include any important notes or instructions that are relevant to the transaction. Next, provide clear descriptions of your products or services, including quantities and pricing. Make sure to select the correct tax settings based on your business needs. Accuracy here is key, as this is the document your client will use to understand the proposed costs. Once all details are entered, it's time to review. Double-check client information, product details, pricing, and taxes. Zoho Books allows you to either save the quote as a draft or send it directly to your client via email. You can even customize your email templates to give it a professional touch, ensuring your client receives a polished, branded message. And that's it. You've successfully created a Proforma invoice or estimate in Zoho Books. It's simple, professional, and saves you a lot of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Zoho Books tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.